This is our first video of a new series, that is Candlesticks. So before moving on to the topic, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you have clicked the subscribe button and also enable notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. So talking about candlesticks and its patterns. Candlestick pattern are of different types and people call each one of them in different names. So as a beginner, if you jump on to learn candlesticks, you may mess up your brain with the names and candle conditions explained by many of them, right? So don't worry guys, I was been there too. And that is the main reason why I have started this series. So you have to first understand what is a candle, what's a candle's body, what's a shadow showing us. And there are many more basics to understand before jumping on to candlestick patterns. What most of the people do is they just directly jump onto candlestick patterns, mug up their candlestick patterns, that is hammer, shooting star, hanging man, this and that, and finally they twist it all together and they end up losing money. A candlestick chart is nothing but a price chart. A candlestick shows us the high, low, open, and closing prices of a particular script for a specific period of time. And that specific period of time is also called as a time frame. More on time frame later. So a candlestick consists of two parts, one the body and the other one is the shadow. How a body and shadow forms will be explained shortly. A candlestick shows us the buying and selling activity of that script, whatever it is, a stock, a future, an index, for that selected time frame. For example, if we select a 5-minute time frame, one candle shows us the trading activity of that script for 5 minutes. And if we select 15-minute time frame, the candle shows us the data of 15 minutes trading activity. Simple. So if that is clear, please move forward, or else you can watch it again, have yourself cleared, and then you can move forward. Okay, now moving on to the a little bit more deeper version. As you guys have seen in trading charts consisting of red and green candles, right? You can modify the colors according to your POV. It's up to you. But what exactly are these colored candles? The green ones are referred as bullish candlesticks and the red ones are referred as bearish candlesticks. So what's bullish and bearish means? Simple. In trading, we call the buyers as bulls and the sellers as bears. So have you ever know why they are called the bulls and bears? Okay, I'll explain. Now let's have an example. A bull bows his head down and lifts what's locking on its horn, right? That's how a bull attacks. From bottom to top attacking style, right? Now talking about the bear just jumps on its targets with its nails and conquer the targets when it's on the ground. So that's how a bear attacks. From top to bottom attacking style. Same attacking styles when coming to bullish and bearish candles. A bullish candle opens bottom and closes at the top just like the bull's attack. And the bearish candle opens at the top and closes in the bottom, just how the bears attack. This is just to remember easily if you're watching this as a complete beginner. So as you are seeing on the video, a candle opened at 9:30 a.m. Just with the open, we don't know whether it's going to be bullish or bearish. The only thing we know is the open price, right? Now let's wait for that 5-minute candle to close. Yes, it closed at 800, which is above the opening price. The opening price was 300. So if it is closing above the open price, what does that mean? Yes, people have bought at the opening price and was buying till that 5-minute candle expires. So what do you understand by that single candle? Yes, buyers have conquered the sellers for that 5 minutes. This is how you read candlesticks. Now let's take a look at a bearish example. Here you can see the candle opened at 800 rupees on 9:30, and once the time has expired, the candle finalized to close at 300, resulting in close lower than the open. So what did you understand here? That when people start to sell at 800 and was constantly selling throughout that 5 minute, the price starts to fall and closed at 300, which is obviously lower than the open, which was at 800. Simple logic guys, don't make it complicated. Now we discussed what's a candlestick, what's its use, different types of candlesticks, and also how it's being formed. Have you ever thought of why the candlesticks are having shadows? Now let's have a look at why does the candles have shadows. Not all candles have shadows. Some have, some don't. Some have a big shadow, some have a small one. So it completely differs because markets aren't the same every minute, right? So how can we utilize these candlestick shadows? The shadow is a line on top or bottom or on both sides of a candle. It shows us the track of where all the prices have fluctuated in that specific period of time. If you're selecting a 5 minute or if you're selecting a 15 minute, in that 15 minute, the shadow shows that where all the prices have fluctuated in that specific period of time. Okay, with the price fluctuations, the shadow shows us the rejection areas too. Even we can spot out some rejection points or a rejection price in which we can know that the market is kind of rejecting on that particular point. So we'll explain with an example to know more. Now here you can see a bearish candle, and also you can see its shadow, right? Its upper shadow has made an eye till 200 rupees and the lower one to 100 rupees. But the candle has closed between the high and low, thus forming shadows on both the sides. So this candlestick shows us that during that specific period of time, let's assume it's a 5 minute candle. So during that 5 minute candle, the prices have made a high of 200 and have made a low of 100 rupees, right? So here you can understand that when the buyers started buying from the open, the price starts to move up and it went up till almost 200 rupees. But once when the 200 rupees has been reached, the amount of sellers was higher than the buyers and the price starts to fall, giving a low till almost 100 rupees. So once it reached 100 rupees, again people start to buy and the price closed higher than the low, which was 100 rupees. Now my question is, after knowing that people are selling at 200 and are buying at 100, in future if the price moves to 100 or 200, what will the people think? Leave about the people, what will you think? Hope you got your answer. So that's how we can make use of these shadows. But remember, you can use this technique as a supporting tool, not as your primary strategy, because this is way too easy to understand. And so if it was too easy, then everyone would have made money, right? So keep all these things in mind while trading with candlestick patterns and also price actions. With multiple confirmations, your trades may be successful seamlessly. Are you trading on Indian markets, stocks, maybe option buying, but making losses, or have joined expensive courses but still can't make it up to month end greens, feeling missed out in the markets? Don't worry, we got you. A trader who have joined our trading room will be trading with us on all trading days from the markets open to close throughout. Most importantly, we, a community, will be connected through Google Meet in which we all will be live during the market hours. So the trades we take, the analysis we do, the informations we share will all be done in live, just like a community. So this trading room is priced more than less, as this service was planned to create independent traders. Be with traders on live markets. Create a success community of intraday traders. If you want to know more or join our trading room services, my WhatsApp number is given in the description below. Feel free to drop a text and know more. One more point, trading room is for traders who have some basic knowledge. And if you are a person who have zero knowledge about the stock market, don't worry, we got you in that too. We have also designed a basic course in which you will be having 2 levels of training, each consisting of 5 videos. This basic course is all you need to join our trading room and trade with us live. So I'm winding up this video here. Once again, do subscribe to our channel if you really like our content. Do use the like and comment buttons to share and express your thoughts. See you on the next video. Until then, bye and take care.